Internet finance is the new global money system. It allows people to earn and build online businesses using the internet. Anyone with a phone can participate. Welcome to this Internet Finance Learning session, where we're going to unpack exactly how this massive digital shift is unlocking some incredible opportunities for people all over the world.
So let's just dive right in. For decades, the financial system relied entirely on physical banks, local borders, and geographic proximity. You had to physically be there. But today, internet finance is the new global money system. It allows people to earn and build online businesses using the internet. That means literally anyone with a phone and a connection can now participate in this completely borderless economy.
Let's establish our foundation with a really simple definition. What exactly is it? Well, internet finance is using the internet to earn, send, invest, and grow money digitally. I'll say that again, just to be absolutely clear. Internet finance is using the internet to earn, send, invest, and grow money digitally.
Here is the blueprint for our Internet Finance note today. We'll be going through 1. Welcome to Internet Finance. 2. The 5 core components. 3. How money flows online. 4. The big global opportunity. 5. Your beginner action roadmap. And finally 6. Mistakes and our final summary.
Okay, Section 1. Welcome to Internet Finance, the paradigm shift.
Think about the old system for a second. Opportunity was strictly tied to physical brick-and-mortar banks and local shops. But the new system, internet finance, is basically a global digital economy right inside your phone. Think of it this way. Your apps are your banks, websites are your businesses, and online platforms are your global marketplaces. It's an entire economic ecosystem digitized in the palm of your hand.
Moving on to Section 2, the 5 core components. This entire massive structure of internet finance really just boils down to 5 simple components. First, digital payments. Second, online banking. Third, e-commerce. Fourth, online investing. And fifth, the creator economy. That's it. Everything we talk about when it comes to making or managing money online fits neatly into one of these 5 pillars.
And just to give you an idea of what we're talking about, look at the sheer massive scale of digital payment platforms worldwide. Payment gateways like Alipay, WeChat Pay, and Apple Pay seamlessly connect hundreds of millions of people to this new economy every single day. They form the critical infrastructure that allows money to move digitally, instantly, without a single piece of physical cash.
All right, Section 3, how money flows online. The flow of money online always follows this exact sequence, no matter what kind of business it is. It goes from attention to traffic to trust to transaction, and finally, to income. Let me repeat that a little slower for clarity. Attention, to traffic, to trust, to transaction, to income. So what does this actually look like in the real world? Well, it's a freelancer earning online by offering their skills. It's a YouTuber earning from their content. Or maybe it's an online store selling products globally. The practical ways people do this are through freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and selling digital products. Let's zoom out for Section 4, the big global opportunity.
Why does this exact ecosystem exist right now? Because our world is entirely digital. Payments have permanently moved online. Businesses just operate globally by default now. Artificial intelligence is stepping in to automate the heavy workloads. And above all, the internet completely removes physical location limits. The crucial takeaway here is simple. Internet finance allows anyone with internet access to participate in the global economy. This is a total game changer. It means an incredibly low entry barrier, unparalleled global reach, and the ability to build scalable income that isn't held back by your local economy. Which brings us to Section 5, your beginner action roadmap. If you're ready to jump in, here is your simple beginner action roadmap. Step 1, learn one digital skill. Just start with one. Step 2, join online platforms where that skill is needed. Step 3, create your content or your service offering. Step 4, start earning small. Just get that first transaction to prove the concept to yourself. And Step 5, scale it up using digital systems. Finally, Section 6, mistakes and final summary. Please, whatever you do, avoid these common mistakes. Expecting fast money is a massive trap. This takes real work. Doing too many things at once will completely destroy your focus. Failing to learn actual valuable skills will leave you empty-handed. A lack of consistency will just kill your momentum. And copying others without actually understanding the underlying mechanics of why their businesses work, that will always lead to failure. So to summarize our internet finance note today,
Internet finance is the digital economy. It's a global earning system online, powered by platforms, AI, and modern technology. And what it enables is pretty amazing. Earning, investing, building businesses, and true global participation for absolutely anyone, anywhere. Ultimately, this learning session leaves you with one simple truth to take away. This is how people earn in the new internet economy. The infrastructure is built, the opportunity is massive, and the barriers are literally lower than ever before. So the only question left for you is, what digital skill will you learn first?